We are now around the middle shrine, which has Lord Keshava as the deity. As I mentioned before, this is also a 16-corner shaped structure which extends till the shikara or minaret of the temple. As you have seen, the fourth layer from the bottom is carved with rich stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavata. Interesting fact is that around the first shrine, you will see the stories from epic Ramayana. The second shrine has the stories from Bhagavata, or the Lord Krishna's childhood days. The carvings on the fourth layer around the third shrine are dedicated to the stories from Mahabharata. Second shrine has a series of Lord Vishnu sculptures in the front projection of the wall. There are around 34 to 36 Vishnu figures. As you walk towards your left, you will also pass through the second water channel stone structure, which means that you are at the back of the second shrine. Keep walking towards your left until you come across two dancing posed statues of Lord Vishnu's forms. The first statue is holding a flute. The left leg is crossed in the air. Here it looks like Lord Krishna is playing the flute. Immediately next to this is another dancing statue whose right leg is crossed in the air. Now you are at the third shrine, which is dedicated to Lord Janardana. As you turn around the corner, to enter the next section, you will see a sculpture where Goddess Lakshmi is sitting on the left lap of Lord Vishnu at the far end. Observe carefully, then you will see that Lakshmi's right foot is resting on a lotus flower and it is being pushed down. To ensure that the lotus flower is not crushed because of the weight of Lakshmi's foot, an elephant is supporting the base of the flower with its trunk. On the left, you see Garuda in a sitting position. Just besides this, on the left, you will see a sculpture of Goddess Lakshmi in meditating position. At the bottom of the large sculptures, you will see that the chief artists have signed their names. It is written in old Halegannada script. You may be able to recognize if you know Kannada. It is believed that there were around 500 artists, sculptors involved in the construction of this temple. Of these, we see only 4 or 5 prominent and main artists' names signed. Mallitamma and Chaudaya are the prominent signatories. As you walk to your left, let me tell you some other facts about the temple exterior. There are 547 elephant carvings around the temple. All are different from each other. There are totally 194 big statues, and among this, 164 are dedicated to Vishnu. This excludes the Apsara and Gandharva statue carvings in the back section. Observe the corner section in the lower layer. The face of the creature is exactly at the corner and the body is attached to the face on both sides. This will give a feeling that there are two different creatures but sharing the same face.